Okay. Okay. So today we will do configurations of asset accounting in S4 HANA. So let's go one by one and let's do the configuration, and then we will try to create one asset master. So let me log into the SAP system. I have already logged in. So we will go from SPRO. We'll go to the path, and then we have under the financial accounting, we have asset accounting. Okay. We have to go to the asset accounting. So first thing we have to go organizational structure. Okay. And then we have to create here. First thing is depreciation area. Okay. What it says, depreciation area. This is the T code. So we have come here in the path directly. So we'll come here and we will create one. Okay. Not this one. Okay. So we can come here and create. Okay. Like dd. So if I do this, I have already created one, I think. Yeah. So it is already created one. So let me go back. Let me see it here. So this is first thing, chart of account we have to create. Simple, coming here, organizational structure, and create this chart of account. Then chart of depreciation, not chart of account. Okay, keep in mind. So chart of depreciation, as we discussed, is a list of chart of depreciation, list of depreciation area. Okay, so here we have to assign ddmm. Okay, so we have assigned company code to chart of depreciation here. Then what is the next? This is done. Next is account determinations. Okay, so what is the account determination? Where we will get, we have to come under, where is it, organization structure. Then we have asset class here. Okay, account determination. What is the account determinations? This will hold all your, how you account, you give it. So this we can do. I think I have created one. Okay, already that done nothing, just a creation as of now. Okay, then screen layout, that also you can do it here. Define screen layout rule. So this also one is there, ddmm, there or not? Yeah, it's there. So all those things we have to go. A number ranges also is required. So number range did we create? Number, this number range is for your asset master. Okay, so this is the asset master, will start from this one. So one asset is already created. Let's see. Okay, now define asset class. Okay, this is main. So that asset class will have all these details. So what are the asset class? How do we see this? So asset class means classification of your assets. So what are the assets? Type of assets like real estate, building, land, or fixture fitting, vehicles, computer hardware. These all are your asset class. Okay, and this asset class will be defined on the client level, not the company code level. Okay, so I had created one. What was that? Under plant and machineries, I believe. Yeah. So plant and machineries, I have copied from one of the existing asset class. Okay. So these will be created based on what business gives you. So business will give you all the details. Now asset class is done. Now, okay. Okay. So you have to do this assignment also. So you can go inside and do the assignment, account determination which we have created, and then screen layout. There also we have to give it here, and then the number range 60 which we had created there. So this also will be here. Based on that only we can create the number range. Okay, here I will show you the number range for number 60 we created here. So all these things, these three important things, account determination, screen layout, and number range, we assign in under this asset class. Okay, so this configuration is done. Now what is the next steps? Till now it's clear. Any question? Okay, so this asset class we do count determination, screen layout, and number range. Okay, now we have to go and do assign GL account integration with the general ledger. So this is AO90. So integration with the general ledger here. Okay, assign GL accounts. Assign GL accounts. Okay, so chart of depreciation we have to give and assign here. Okay, so we have two balance sheet account and depreciation account. Okay, so here we assign which kind of accounts. So select this and account determination we have to go. What is the account determination? DDMM account determination we have. Where is that? Account determination is not there. Okay, here. Okay, and then we select this and go balance sheet account. Okay, balance sheet account, this is the account where when we do the acquisition of assets. So what type of acquisition we do? When we acquire from vendors, so that time it will be this machine account to that vendor account. Okay, so other accounts are also there, but as of now, just to understand, I have keep it very simple way, so you understand it. Okay, so for acquisition, at least minimum what is required, that's I am showing you guys. Okay, based on this requirement, company requirement, so many other accounts assignment you can do it here. So when you do sales or retirement, that time how we calculate, how do we do the booking, so those accounts we have to do one by one here. Also these options are there. Okay, next is depreciation. Okay, so depreciation is when we do the depreciate run. Okay, like every month end or year end we will be doing depreciation. So depreciation account, it is like your that account booking happens, depreciation expense account to your accumulated depreciation account. Okay, this is just you understand as of now. So these two accounts is required when you do depreciations. So these accounts I have already created. Okay, so this is for our company code. So machine account which we will use for acquiring it. Okay, this is when we do depreciation, and this one we have created technical clear account. Okay, we will see where it gets assigned. So but technical clearing account AO90 we don't assign. That assignment will be somewhere else. We will see somewhere where it we have to assign. This retain earning account also is a required. Okay, so let's see. This account is for your balance transfer. Now this is done. Understood here? Any question, query? No. Okay, good. Now define depreciation areas, book depreciation areas. Okay, we will see it where it is. We came out, huh? Okay, so finance and this one asset accounting. Okay, now organization is done. This is done. What is the next step is depreciation area and ledger group. So depreciation, ordinary depreciation, determine depreciation area. Okay, what is now? This is not required. So one depreciation area, book depreciation will be there. Assign accounts not required. Okay, what is there in the transactions? Okay, this transaction is little different, huh? So this is also not required. So what it says, OADB. Okay, so let's go OADB. Okay, chart of depreciation. There you can see your depreciation area. Only as of now, we have taken only one depreciation area, that is one depreciation area one. There will be some other also, like we have 15, 13. Okay, those will be like tax. For tax also, we have one depreciation area. For other accounting principle also, we can have some different. Okay. So in S4 HANA, assign depreciation area to accounting principal, ledger group, enables parallel valuations. Okay. So that also is required. Now, this is also nothing is there, but we have to define this also at 0 at least. OAYO. OAYO. What is this? Company code selection rounding space. What was the transaction code? OAYE. Oh, what is this? OAYE does not exist. Okay, this is maybe for different. No, OAYO. Okay, OAYO. And this is something going something different. Define text. Leave this. These are not coming. Okay? So for tax, we have one T code FTXP. Okay, you remember that. So FTXP tax code we have. We can do this one. What is this here? Okay. So okay, tax code we have to define here. SPRO, one second. Okay, we are already here. So let's see where is the tax real time financial accounting integration with this. It will be defined already, but if it is not, we will see it. Okay. So these are the basic thing. This also transaction somewhere we have to do it. The path I'm not getting it here as of now. This has been already been done. So let's see and create one of the asset. If that asset is created, then we will know that this has been done correctly. Okay. So what is the transaction code to create that asset? Asset master. Anyone remember? No. Okay. So creating asset master is transaction code is S01. Okay. S01. Okay. So here what was the required? You have to give that first asset class. We had created asset class DDMM. Okay. Then we have to go to master. Okay. And then give that asset master something. I'll give machine to same way we did it for ECC. Here also we will do it in similar way. Okay. Capitalization date from where when you want to do it. Let's give it 1st of April. Okay. Let's see. Okay. These are not required. Cost center we have not done. Valuation is okay. Origin. These are okay. Okay. So these are the basic information you need to give. Okay. What is the PRD? Depreciation start. Depreciation calculation starts. Huh? We'll give. Let's see if it is doing correctly or something wrong. Okay. Ordinary depreciation start 01. That's okay. 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 See, we are able to create one asset. Okay. So this is the asset. So asset master creation. Where do we see that asset? Yes. Okay. You can see it here. What is the asset value? Asset value is nothing. As of now, it's showing 0, right? There is no asset value. It's all 0. So what we can do after creating asset, what is the next step is to acquire it. Okay, we have to do acquisition for these assets. So we have created that asset master. Now we have to book the amount, how much we have acquired these assets. From where? From some of our vendors. So we will acquire it from our vendors. So what is the transaction code for acquiring it from vendors? The transaction code it calls F-90. Okay. So here we can come give this. This is 31 is vendor credit. Okay. So in our accounts payable, we have done this multiple times. 31 is vendor invoice. It is credit. Okay. See, you can see it here. D means debit, C means credit. Okay. So what is our vendor? We had created one supply from BP. Remember? So we can come here and search it. This one we created. We'll take it here. We'll give some header test, asset acquisition, something. Yeah. Give some amount. How much we'll give? 50,000. Let's give 50,000. Text. What is that? asset purchase. Here posting key, it will be there, it is credit, so here it will be debit related to asset. Okay, so what was that asset? 70 and 75, two we have seen, right? So we will take debit, asset, debit. Okay, asset, what is that our asset we have, which we have created just now? That DDMM asset machine 2, right? This one we had created. Okay, now what we are doing? We are acquiring it. Understand it carefully. Okay, we are acquiring it from vendor. So you have to tell it, that system, what activity we are doing it here. So if you see the transaction type, what kind of transactions we are doing it. So many of transaction types are there. Assets, because we do the asset movement, retirement. So for that, as of now, we are doing external asset acquisitions. Means we are acquiring it from vendor, outside company. So this is what we have to give 100. Okay, now we just go next. Okay, now we got some error. What the error is saying? Technical clear account is not maintained in the chart of account DDMM. Okay, so technical clearing account we had created yesterday, right? We discussed that this is mandatory. Okay, so now we have to see where we have to assign this. Okay, in this place though, we have not assigned anywhere in the technical clearing account. What was the technical clearing account we had created yesterday? Under the asset, we had created technical clearing account, this one, right? 299. So let's go where we have to assign these also somewhere. Okay, let's go to SPRO. Financial accounting, and then asset accounting, then integration with the general ledger. See here, we did assign GL accounts, right? Here, technical clearing account for integrated asset acquisition. Okay, so we have to do it here, and we have our chart of account DDMM. No, it is not there. Okay, so we will create it. DDMM. This is our account. We will give it from here. Okay, which one is it? This one, right? This is correct, right? Right. Okay, this is correct only. Then save it. This is our correct only. Now define technical clearing account for required field control. Okay, so here also it is not there. Okay, not there. It is there already. Huh? Okay, this is account determination. Okay, so account determination is not given here. So what I'll do, I will delete this. We'll create, so first save it. We will give chart of account determination. We had DDMM, right? DDMM. Okay, then this account, same account. Okay, now we save it. It is done now. Our, I think this should be okay. Yeah, now we'll start again. Address, address 90. Okay, Now period is 2, document type kr, and then we have this was the supplier, and we'll do 50,000. We'll do asset purchase, posting 70. Then we have to give the asset as what was their asset 10 last, it is 01. Okay, and then transaction type again we will give 100, and we will see it. We will do it here. Okay, now this thing, okay, now see here how it is happen. Asset accounting to this clearing account, company code 50,000 50,000. This is vendor, this is asset, technical clearing account. Okay, now if you post it, we should be able to post. Okay, if you have done correctly, if there is no other informations. Oh, super. We have created this accounting document. What is that? FB03. See here. Okay, it has created ledger view. We have only one ledger as of now. Other ledger is there. We have not created any other, not assigned here, right? Okay, so as of now only one. Display currency is there, anything? No. Okay, so now if we see that asset value, okay, we should be able to see it AS03. Why? Because now we have put the value on this asset. Okay, so here we can, if you can come, asset value should be there. See, 50,000, or already depreciation has taken it something. Earlier it was 0, right? Now we can see this depreciation. See this acquisition. Okay, so this is how we do this one. So either you can go from AS03 or you can come here AW01N. AW01N. Okay, this is called asset explorer transaction. Okay, so here also you can come, give your asset value. This is your asset, you can see it here. Okay, so different fiscal year, if it is there, you can see it. Post-it value, nothing is there. Okay, this is machine GL account. Why we came here? Okay, so this is how we do the configuration and we do acquire of asset in S4 HANA. So what is the difference? We have seen it here. We have seen this one as a technical clearing account. Okay, so that is the only difference. You can see it. What is this? AC Docker, can you see? DDMM 2026. Okay, what was that our transaction? What was our document? This was our document. Document number, what we have given. Yeah, here it is little different. This is Control C. Document number we give it here. Can give here. See. Okay. So reference document number 10. Document number 10. Ledger 2. So it's given account level. Huh? So line item level, this you have seen it here. Okay. So in SEDoka also like this, you can search it. Earlier we used to search it in BKPF. Now everything we can do it here in SEDoka. Okay. Understood? How is it? Simple, easy? Okay, so that's how we do configuration, and then we do creation of asset master, and we do acquisition of that asset. Okay. Okay, any question, query?
No, sir.